bastard.
Dude, what the hell is your problem?
Why didn't you warn me that this is going to happen, huh? My family nearly being killed in some sort of an assassination attempt.
Assassination attempt? What are you talking about?
You know what I mean. Scissors, just tell me why you didn't tell me that those guys would come to my house and try to kill me and my family.
Look, I didn't even see what was happening.
Tell that to Dr. Fox. She said that she saw those men walking into my house, then proceeded to the grocery store where I work with Daddy. The security camera has filmed it all.
Wait, I think I know who those guys are. Those were Jamie Hudson's men.
So he basically ordered that hit just so he could buy the house from us. What about the peace negotiations? My parents want to have a talk with Jamie about the future of the house we used to live in.
Chuck, making a peace agreement with Jamie Hudson is not gonna help. Not even when you hire a lawyer.
Then what the hell is the point?
Don't even think about it. Make one mistake and you're dead.
Oh, really? Just like when my family almost ended up dead because of your boss? Why the hell would—
I said shut up. We are going for a ride, and you better not run away from me. Now move it.
What are you doing? Why did you send us here?
Never mind where I sent you. You're going to die.
Like what you tried to do with my family, huh? Do you think you could just get away with that?
For God's sake, man, when will you ever get it? I am following my boss's orders. Everyone from your family are nothing but criminals.
Criminals? You called my family criminals? We've done nothing to you.
Then when the hell are you going to accept the truth? The house you always lived in will not be yours. It never was.
Bullshit, this is where we ended up here. Zachary made us broke, and we had nowhere else to live in, just Nairajiaza.
Nairajiaza? Huh. Is this the only place you care about? What the hell are you doing? Get your ass back in the car right now.
You don't have to do this. Just get us out of here.
I said get your ass back in the car. I mean it. Now look what you made me do. You stay where you are. Don't be stupid, Chuck. I'm warning you.
Why? After everything you did to my wife, my parents, my relatives, and all the friends—
Give me the gun, Chuck. Don't do it.